and we want to talk about billet door handles. Why would we make this? How do we just make them a little bit better? And what are some things we can add to it? Maybe we spend a little bit more money and buy some better quality products. Very durable, very solid, and when you grab it, it feels like you're grabbing onto something pretty legit. Hey friends, this is Jason with Fender Garage, and we want to talk about billet door handles. So essentially this started off as a block of solid aluminum, and then it becomes a part, right? It gets machined in a CNC machine, and then it turns into a really nice high quality product. So why would we make this? Well, the original stuff that was originally built and made in 1967 or whatever it was just a different product back then than today. And so a lot of the stuff that you're buying, from different suppliers of this stuff is made overseas. And so it's not as good of a chrome finish on it, or it's not very solid, and it just feels a little cheaper. And so, but you don't have another option. You're either going that route or that's it. And so for us, we kind of just look at a project as, how do we just make them a little bit better? And what are some things we can add to it? Maybe we spend a little bit more money and buy some better quality products that will last a long time, very durable, very solid, and when you grab it, it feels like you're grabbing onto something pretty legit. And so one of the easy things that you can replace on your vehicle is just custom door handles. And so these are super easy, and we make these for like 53 to 56, 61 to 66, and 67, 72. So this is really easy to install. You got these right here. You're just gonna bolt it right in here. These are drilled and tapped already. It makes it super easy. And then right here, sometimes you have to trim this just a little bit, but otherwise this works pretty well. Nice and easy to install. And yeah, because this just pushes on the original location. Super easy to install. Like, the hardest part is just gonna be getting the old one off, right? And then getting all that torn apart, and then this goes on super easy, bolt it back up, and you're good to go. And so, but we make them in 3 different colors. So this is a brushed finish. You take a look at that. It's got a nice brushed finish. It actually starts off, we get it polished, and then we brush it, because we want it to be as perfect as we can. So I can kind of show you what that looks like. So you've got a polished look. You can then actually take and, we've done it for people where they want like a gloss, clear cerakote on it. We've done that for people. They want a little extra protection. That does cost more money. It's about an extra $100 a door handle to do that. And then we also have, a satin black, which looks pretty nice if you want kind of a dark color. Now these are cerakoted. They're not anodized. Anodizing, I've found, something that you're grabbing all the time, just doesn't last as long. And when we cerakote it, it lasts a lot longer. But here's the truck behind us. We've got one installed. This is a 6772, and then we did a custom color on it. And you can take a look. You can also order it up with a gasket on the back of it. Some people worry about just going metal to metal on paint. I get it. I totally understand it. And so we've got some gaskets that we have that fit these, and you can install. Pretty easy to install. Sometimes that little push button, you kind of have to trim the back edge, sand it down just a little bit to make sure that it's making the right contact and not too much. But otherwise, they're pretty easy to install. They're going to fit in the exact same holes. It's a great upgrade to your truck. Give you a nice little perk. It doesn't look like everything else made in China, right? Not that there's anything wrong with having it made in China, right? Sometimes it makes sense, right? But at the end of the day, we're proud to offer these custom billet door handles. And if you're looking for one, just go to the website and we'll be happy to sell you a set. There's different, like I said, color options. There's different years of trucks that you can purchase it for, and hopefully your truck's there. And you can pick a set up and put it on your truck, and great little Christmas gift. If your wife needs a stocking stuffer, this is perfect. See you next time.